Swift and surprising. An El Cajon City Council member, once the center of a salacious legal lawsuit, has resigned.
And 10 News obtained a resignation letter tonight sent to the city manager by Councilman Ben Kalasho. 10 News reporter Anthony Pura is in the Live Center now with that resignation letter. Anthony?
That's right. Ben Kalasho sent in this resignation letter. Here you can see that it was dated March 25th. It was addressed to the city manager. In it, he cites disagreements with other board members for his decision to step down, as well as family matters, but he did not elaborate on those. He also says, after further reflection, given the time and energy necessary to perform my council duties, I don't see where I can be effective. I am constantly the 1-4 vote. The councilman was sued back in 2017. The lawsuit accuses Kalasho and his wife of creating a fake Instagram account to defame a beauty queen. The suit alleges they posted fake nude photos of the pageant winner back in 2016, who was then stripped of her title and prize money. Now, in this resignation letter, Kalasho did address that, saying that he and his wife have resolved the legal matter. The plaintiff's attorney tells 10 News it has been resolved to their satisfaction. We have reached out to Mr. Kalasho for further comment. He has not returned a request. We're reporting live in the Live Center. Anthony Pura, 10 News.
What a story there, Anthony. Thank you. All right. If you do want to see the full resignation letter, we have it on our website, 10news.com. Just click on the story link.